Hey guys, Stefan here from Project Homegrown. So to-do list for the weekend. I've already removed the pump. I'm going to unplumb the filters, replace these shit little DIY rubbers. It's not working at all. They tear and they perish super fast, and I'm just gonna replace them with the regular O-rings that's supposed to go in there. We are going to plumb up the backwash into an IBC tote that needs to be located here, and this is gonna serve as a catch-up for our filter clean out sediment from the top fish filters, and then the backwash from our sand filters. So we want to recatch that solids into the IBC here, and then we're gonna let it settle out, and we're gonna skim off the clean water into a second IBC next to it. That will be filled with K1 media. There we will have two IBCs for the K1 media, the IBCs, and that's going to be a total of 1000 liters of the K1 media divided into 500 into each IBC, and then we are gonna bubble the smoke out of it, and then we will drain that nutrient water back into the sump as we wish, and then that will circulate back up through our supply lines towards the fish tanks, where they go back through their whole filter system there, and then it comes down this drain line. We need to uproot this drain, make everything more level and deeper so that we can sink our drain pipes lower so it doesn't protrude, and it makes fitting the liner with a seal onto our drain much easier if everything is lower. We messed that up the first time. We'll definitely correct it second time around. Also, we've decided to keep open our drain lines for the simple reason we had leaks and we did not know how to find them, and it was a big pain in the ass because we couldn't see, and we're just gonna have the piping, everything accessible, and we'll double this as a rainwater drain also, and we'll then pave some bricks in alongside the piping to make like a brick gutter, and then we're just gonna run our drain lines, have them lay in the basically the gutter. We need to install another IBC at the back here at the fish tanks, right here, same way as this is draining in. It drains out through the slough into our not complete yet filter, drains out all of them into this 110 ml drain pipe, and it just elbows in here. This entire lid still needs to come off. but this was just so that we can get things circulating. This is going to be quite a big particle filter. I've got things that I want to do to make my own custom filter on the inside there. It overflows out that elbow, down, and then it joins into the main drain line that connects up to the other ones we were just at. And on this side, everything is just duplicated. The only difference is I put the filters on the inside. We ran the pipes down to the back just to have it a little bit more space friendly in the middle here, as it's already quite a tight fit. So the other IBC needs to go in here, and we're gonna do it the same way as there. Pardon the mess. This is what it looks like if you're at work and do these things in your not so spare time. Yeah, so that still needs to be done. We'll probably get that done this weekend. This is our quick fix for all the bloody rain and mud and clay, and it's just terrible. So my wife constantly wants to beat me because I'm treading mud into the house. But on another note, so am I. I'm also frustrated with the mud.